This is the perfect fifth wheel for a couple to get away from their kids for the weekend. This is 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. Sorry, that don't have anything to do with the video, but that's a nice sunset. I thought y'all should appreciate it. Anyways, this bad Jackson has a big old pass-through. I can fit my whole self in there. You can stuff your mother-in-law in that thing. No cap. This thing is spacious. And right next to the pass-through, we got a leash latch. That sucker will hold up to 1,500 pounds, so not even your pet buffalo will be able to escape. Keep in mind, this does not apply to all buffaloes, as an adult buffalo can range from 790 to 2,200 pounds. There is a big old rack in the back if you want to add some extra storage to the coolers up there. You got a mount for a backup camera and a ladder. There's also a mount for a camera around the side above your door for security. And then all the way around the other side, right next to the other end of your pass-through, you got all your water hookups. You got a shower out here. Enough of the outside, guys. Let's get on in there. Wowie zowie, you guys. This thing is magnificent. We already got the fireplace cooking down here. That thing's kicking out mad heat, but you also got a furnace, so you got ventilation throughout this thing. It'll keep you nice and toasty. Dual recliners here for you and your honey baby. If you want, you can turn them around and enjoy the spectacular view out your big beefy window. The zebra shades are on all of these, so you know you can go no light, you can go half light, or full exposure. This Strawn right here will convert into a sleeper if you want to bring some guests. Bada bing, now you got a bed for two. You might want to bring like a foam pad or something, because I ain't gonna lie, these are not the most comfortable sleepers. To the right of that, we got our kitchen area, peninsula, because we in the mitten. Right here, detachable faucet, undermount, farmhouse style sink. 3-burner gas stove, refrigerator, travel locks are built on. Microwave. A lot of cupboard space. Very nifty. You could set up a coffee bar over here. Let's get on up to the bathroom and the bedroom. Down below, we got the old porcelain foot flush toilet. Decent sized shower with a skylight. Also in this bathroom, we have this thing. It's called a mirror. They work really well for reflecting light. And then below that, this is actually called a sink. What you can do if you actually turn these knobs, it will emit water. It's pretty cool, pretty revolutionary stuff. Let's get on into the old queen bed in here. So blue lights, to each their own. That ain't my kind of thing personally, but you know, if you like blue lights, I ain't gonna hate on you for it. A couple of pop lights for reading there as well. We got a power inverter, outlet, USB, USB-C, storage underneath the bed, plenty of it. Little shoe area there. That's handy, that's handy. And then across from that guy, you do have a TV mounting bracket. You got the cable TV hookup and the power outlets. I'd say it's a pretty solid camper. If you got any questions on it, let me know. The phone number is in the bio.